and I rise to support the motion by Honorable Rogoñ that we must impeach the CEO of this county. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm one of the Committee on Revenue Streams Collection, and we've gone round all the markets, Mr. Speaker, sir, talking to our women, the good women who are selling burgers, and for sure these women are giving out their small contribution, but they are not reaching wherever they are supposed to be. They are being rained on, there are no toilets, and we are continuing to squander their money. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is very wrong. To my first point, the gender bill, which I've been really saying in this honorable house that we must have, and I continue saying that we must have this gender bill because in our offices, Mr. Speaker, sir, we have the sexual advances, which in every time and again there is a complaint which has been filed against the office of the governor, and his office forms basis of consideration of removal of office because this is an abuse of office. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is an exploitation of the highest order. This is an abuse of office. Mr. Speaker, sir, the other day we lost one small young girl called Tamara. She was defiled, strangled, and thrown out to the rivers. And up to date, Mr. Speaker, sir, no one in the governor's office has ever even condemned the act, Mr. Speaker, sir. No one has even followed the perpetrator to be in jail, Mr. Speaker, sir. This really gives me a lot of pain because I was nominated as the gender top-up, and I must stand with the daughters of Kericho County, and we must condemn all this, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, this Kericho County, we have a lot of gender-based violence, teenage pregnancies, defilement cases, FGM, and other sexual abuses. Mr. Speaker, sir, in our offices, I'm saying the gender bill because we must enact this bill. And this lies in executive offices, and we are waiting for it because one of the policies which we must have in these offices is the sexual harassment policy. I want to go back to the revenue, Mr. Speaker, sir. We went to Kabianga, Tifam. The laborers are not getting salary, Mr. Speaker, sir. This is another abuse of office, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, this, our hospitals here, where our mothers are going to give birth, this one, when I want to speak about it, it really pains me a lot because, Mr. Speaker, sir, a bed is being shared by 3 women who has given birth. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is very wrong. Our women are suffering in this Kericho County because someone is squandering and really taking our revenue to other businesses which does not touch the lives of these women and men of Kericho County. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is so bad, and I must stand with this motion and support the removal of the governor of Kericho County. Mr. Speaker, sir, I must stand with these members who are in here because we've really supported one another because we need sanity in Kericho County. We really need progress in Kericho County. We must stand with these members up to the last moment. Mr. Speaker, sir, I support the removal of Dr. Mutai in his office. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. God bless you, the members who are in here, because you stood for the rights of these Kericho people, and they will count you in the near future that you said the truth. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. God bless Kericho County.
Thank you, the Honorable Fancy, the Honorable Edna Tanui.